Grinding or squeaking garage door noises are never normal and usually signal wear or misalignment. Worn rollers or lack of lubrication are the most common causes of these sounds. Bent tracks or loose hardware can force the door to move unevenly and create noise. A strained garage door opener may grind when the door is too heavy or off balance. Ignoring these sounds can lead to bigger damage and sudden door failure. Early inspection and professional repair help restore quiet, safe operation.